Time for another unboxings. Sustainable secondhand savings deal with the deals from the RealReals. We have another unboxing from the RealReal. So let's just get into it. This is part one of this one. This is part of my sustainable segment. Shopping secondhand savings deal with the deals from the RealReal. Buying things secondhand, used, retail, and savings, and seeing what we like and what we don't like, blah, blah, blah. Okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick RealReal unboxing, sustainable secondhand savings. So if that's something you're interested, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, first we're going to unbox the tactic. Be right back. Okay, this is something small that I got from Hermes, from the RealReal, via Hermes via the RealReal. It's something that I've seen, and I've actually kind of wanted, but I never pulled the trigger on for one reason or another. It's like $600 in the store, and I couldn't justify paying that for this item from Hermes, even though it is Birkin bait, even though it works sort of thing. That, and two, also they never have it. In my experience, they never had it in the store. There's like 3 or 4 different versions of this. There's like the bain one, which is like this like felt like this squishy cloth material. That's always there, but that's flat. I wanted something with more of a base. And then there's the Breitenberg, which they never have. It's always sold out. I had to like wait list for that, and it wasn't available. I put on the wait list with my essay. I still haven't gotten it. This was the next best option, I think. So it's the Bolide toiletry pouch with leather trim in baby blue. I think this is the baby section one. And it also, like a little toiletry pouch, canvas, durable, has a little wear on it, leather trim, nice, palladium hardware. But also, it could double as like a little bag insert for everyone, which I kind of like. And I like that it has a base, which is what I wanted, more space, because most of my toiletry pouches are like thin, so they can't like fit too much, because then you can't close it. So this, at least I can get more bang in my buck. It's got a little pocket inside. I don't know what I'd put with that. I don't think I could actually use it as a little bag, but who knows, right? You can do anything you want to do, because it does have a little like pocket for, like, what is that for your cards? I don't know what it's for. Anyway, it has a little wear on it, but I think it's cute. And again, I think it's from the baby section. It also has this little tag that says $300 from Ring, which I've never heard of Ring, or if that's like a resale website. Cotton canvas pouch Hermes, it says. But so I guess whoever had it bought it from there and then now is reselling it here. I don't know if it has a serial number. Everything else looks pretty in order. It doesn't have a dust bag or anything, but I have some extra dust bag. It doesn't matter about that. Not that I would keep this in a dust bag. I feel like I would just use this. So we're gonna try it out. Anyway, yay! Got a little thing. RealReal haul. Sunday fun day. Saturday Sunday fun day. That's all I got. Quick and cheesy and easy. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share it with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your anything, because I know your time is valuable. And I just appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.